Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down, click on the system, tap on the languages and input and go for the virtual keyboard. Enter the SwiftKey keyboard. And right now we have to switch from this currently keyboard, I set up the LED keyboard, to our SwiftKey. Then tap on the themes. And here we got the gallery of the themes that we can download on the smartphone. But I'm going for the themes that we got actually on the smartphone. And I think that I'm going to set up the dark. So click here, tap on this marker. And as you can see, here we got the preview how our theme of the keyboard has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.